Welcome guys. Let's do Ethereum technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. And if you want to get these bonuses, $5,680 bonus, which is absolutely free, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can get these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free. Just put your seed money away, deposit and put your seed money away and trade with these bonuses only. This is zero risk trading strategy. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you first chart. This is Ethereum USDT 4-hour pair chart. After breaking this falling wedge, Ethereum was bullish and hit all my targets. Now it is in this ascending wedge, that is a bearish pattern. After creating top at $4,843, it is at now $4,612 right now. Maybe because this is a bearish pattern, maybe price can go down to $4,366, and after that maybe for that level $4,000 price level. That is why this area is very important, $4,000 price area. After hitting this area, price can go up to hit my targets. And if Ethereum price broke this horizontal resistance, in that case, what will be the target? Let me please show you. In that case, Ethereum target will be $5,342. Maybe $5,300 is the next target. Once Ethereum broke $4,850 price area, in that case, this will be the next target, $5,342 price area. But this is a bearish pattern. We have to see it very carefully. Maybe price can go down to $4,300. Maybe price can go down to $4,000 price area. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume is missing. That is not a good sign. Maybe some sideways move we may see. EMA ribbon. Sorry for the delay because of internet speed issue. Here you can see EMA ribbon right at that point where candles are, and that is a good sign. Candles have to hold this EMA ribbon. Let me please zoom this and let me please show you. Here you can see candles are trying to break this, but this is a support zone. Once candle closing above $4,700 price zone, that will be a very good sign for Ethereum price. And let me please remove this and let me please show you RSI. And friends, these are support zone. Note down these zones, and let me please do this. RSI, for hourly RSI is below 50. That is not good sign. Maybe price can further go down. That is why I am saying that maybe price can go down. And RSI and MACD crossover towards downside, and that is also a bearish sign. That is why price is going down, and we may see some price consolidation phase in Ethereum price. We may see, and we have to be very careful. Let me please show you daily chart. This is daily chart, and in daily chart it is a very beautiful pattern, ascending channel. Here you can see this is upper trend line, this is downtrend line. This is upper trend line, this is downtrend line, and here you can see after touching this price goes down, and here you can see price is right now it's touching this, and after touching this price is going down again. This blue line is very important, and it is at $4,400 price area. Let me please show you some indicators and why $4,400 price area is very important. I am going to show you after this. First of all, daily volume is missing. That is not a good sign. We need strong volume. EMA ribbon is at $4,467 price area. That is a good sign, and it is a strong support for the Ethereum. That is very good sign. Let me please show you. Daily RSI is at 60. That is a good sign, and it is bullish, and once it cross 70, in that case it will be very bullish. Daily MACD crossover towards downside. That is not a good sign, and here you can see red towers are coming. That is why price can go down to hit my targets, which I mentioned earlier. And now I'm going to show you why this level is very important. For this I have to take this fib retracement tool and go to previous top, and after that this previous bottom. Here you can see this area is very important, $4,400 price area, because of this blue line and because of this Fibonacci level, which is at $4,275 price area. This area is very important, $4,200 to $4,400 price area. This is very important and area, and this is also a strong support for the Ethereum. $4,300 price area is also a strong support for the Ethereum, and that is why Ethereum maybe can go down to retest this 4,300, 4,200, maybe 4,000. Mark my words. And guys, this is my technical analysis. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to get these bonuses, Binance $710 bonus, Phemex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, Huobi $170 bonus, then go to in this video description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses, which are absolutely free, and it is a $5,680 bonus. Grab this bonus and trade with this deposit and get these bonuses, and trade with these bonuses and put your seed money away. And this is zero risk trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.